Class 9 children, welcome to today's online class. So today we are again going to discuss the chapter Indices, and the questions are related with the solve. That means solve means you have to find the value of unknown variable, and you can see in this question the unknown variable is x here. That means you have to find the value of x. So I have already discussed in my last video that when x is on the power, at the power, then our first target is to make the base same on the left hand side and right hand side. So let us start this question, children. So what I will do, this 4 and here there is 32. So 4 and 32 both can become the power of 2. That means 4 is 2 square and 32 is 2 power 5. When you multiply 2 5 times, it is 32. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, and 16 to the 32. So what you do, first of all you remove this cube root. So to remove cube root, you write 4 and write 1 by 3. I have said in my formula list, when there is cube root, you have to write power 1 by 3, cube root is removed. When there is square root, you write 1 by 2 power, the root over is removed. So here this root, cube root is removed because I wrote 3 as 1 by 3, and my external power already available is 2x plus 1 by 2. This is my old power, and here as 4 is in the numerator but 32 is in the denominator. So one in the numerator, the other in the denominator will not work. Both of them have to be in the same position. So that's why you bring this 32 from denominator to the numerator and write 32. But 1 will go down. So numerator came down and denominator went up, interchanged. But when this activity takes place, incident takes place, your power will change. Power will change means positive will become negative and negative will become positive. So here there is no power in the question. That means there is power 1. So that power 1 was not visible. It was a positive power but not visible. So but positive power you don't write, no issue. But when by interchanging, what happened, that plus power became minus power. So minus power should be visible. So I wrote plus 1 as minus 1 because of interchanging of numerator and denominator. Now children, first what you do, you can make it 2 square now only, but before that I want to just simplify the power. So you can do one more thing, you write 2 square now only, you write 4 as 2 square, and this you write into 1 by 3, and here you do LCM in the internal power. So when you do LCM, this is 2 and this one 2 to the 4x, after LCM 4x plus 1. That means I have done LCM and simplified this 2x plus 1 by 2. I made single by and then I have simplified. This is power, children, and here equal to you write, and 32 you can write 2 power 5 because 2 you multiply 5 times, it is 32. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. That means 32 is 2 power 5. So 32 I wrote 2 power 5. Base 1 has no value, and into minus 1 is already available before only. So that minus 1 I wrote here. Now here arrow 2, what you can do, you can write 2 ones are 2. That means 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into, you can write in the bracket 4x plus 1 by 2. So finally what will happen, children? This 2 will cancel. It is in the power but they can simplify and can cancel. And here you can write 2 power 5 ones are 5 but minus 5. So now children, you can see here both side base is 2 2. You see 2 2. So when base in the left hand side and right hand side are same, you can remove the base and write power equal. So we will remove this base and we will write power equal. So here what is the power? power is 4x plus 1, and this is 3 in the denominator. You can write by 3 like this also. Like here nothing remaining means 3 ones are 3. So base, our denominator is 3 and 4x plus 1 is numerator and is equal to minus 5. So from here you can find the value of x now. Very easy. It's time to cross multiply. 4x plus 1 will cross multiply with 1 and 4x plus 1 and equal to 5 3s are 15 but minus 15. Next, 4x equal to minus 15 and this minus plus 1 will become minus 1. So I will do this side. So you can see children, 4x, so this 4x went there and minus 15 minus 1 is minus 16. Minus 15 minus 1 is minus 16. So x equal to minus 16 by 4. This 4 will come and divide, and finally x equal to 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. So minus 4 is our answer. So solve means find the value of x, and value of x is minus 4. Class 9 children, let us discuss one more question from the chapter Indices. So here one more question, solve. That means you have to find the value of unknown variable. So our unknown variable, you can see this is x in the power. You have to find the value of x. So to find the value of x as it is in the power form, our base, our the down portion base should be same. But you can see it is p by q, here it is q by p. So little bit like numerator and denominator problem is there. You can see p by q here, but here q by p. So had this p be on the top and q at the bottom, that is at the base, then what will happen? P by q will be equal. So what we will do? We will keep this p by q same, but this q by p we will change p by q. And you know, when numerator and denominator are changed, plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So let us do this question. Very easy question children. So I want to remove this root over from here. So I have told you in my previous video that whenever we remove root over, we can write power 1 by 2. So by writing power 1 by 2, root over is removed. Next, as I just now told, here we have p by q, here also I want p by q. So to make it p by q, what happened? P went on the top and q came at the base. That means numerator and denominator changed. So when numerator and denominator change, positive power becomes negative and negative power becomes positive. So here you can see 1 is positive power, 2x is negative power. So this negative power will become positive power. So write positive power first, and 1 is positive power, this will become negative power. So what I did, minus 2x I wrote plus 2x, plus 1 I wrote minus 1. It all happened because of interchanging. Now very easy children, base are equal, p by q. So we can write power equal. So 1 by 2, this is power of this side, and 2x minus 1 is the power of right hand side. Now we have to find the value of x. X is in the wrong side. What you do? You cross multiply this 2x minus 1 with 2 first, and then this 1 with the below this 1. This 1 you multiply in the second step. So first one, 2 2s are 4x, 2 1s are minus 2 equal to 1 1s are 1. So we will be getting our answer now. So our answer now, 4x equal to minus 1, minus 2 going that side will become plus 2. So finally 4x equal to 3. Therefore x equal to 4 by 3. This is our answer. So one more thing also you can do, if you want to write this as answer, no issue. And if somebody wants to write x equal to, by dividing 4 by 3 as 1 whole 1 by 3, this is also correct. So both the answers are correct. So children, I hope you understood. Very easy question children. To make power equal, first make base equal. That is the concept of this chapter. Thank you children.